Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce using a blender. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg yolks, 125 grams of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for that perfect flavor. Make sure your butter is melted and hot, ideally between 110 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, before we begin. Now, let's get started with the blending. Add your 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt directly into your blender. Secure the lid and blend these ingredients on high for about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll notice the mixture becoming light and frothy, which is exactly what we want. This step is crucial for aerating the yolks and building a strong foundation for our creamy hollandaise. This next step is where the magic happens. With your blender still running, but now on a low speed, slowly and steadily drizzle in the 125 grams of hot melted butter. Take your time, pouring it in a thin stream over about 30 to 60 seconds. The hot butter will gently cook the egg yolks and, most importantly, emulsify the sauce, transforming it into that classic, rich hollandaise texture we all love. Once all the butter has been incorporated, let the blender run for just another 5 to 10 seconds to ensure everything is perfectly combined and thick. Now, give your hollandaise a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning with a little more salt or that dash of cayenne pepper if you like a bit of a kick. Your creamy, delicious hollandaise sauce is now ready to be served immediately over your favorite dishes, like eggs Benedict or asparagus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.